Hello student, today I am going to discuss the topic of architect Laurie Baker and their work in the mainstream of architecture or the human settlement. The subject was the contemporary of architecture, module 9. The next slide is Laurie Baker. Laurie Baker was born on 2nd March 1917 and died 1st April 2007. He was studied architecture in Brigham and graduated in 1937. Age of 20, he was involved in various political unrest for the Europe. During the Second World War, he served in the Friend ambulance in the China and Burma. He not works as an architect, also as a social worker, and it is international and interdominantal mission dedicated to the care of those suffering people from the leprosy. His main focus on the converting or the replacing the asylum one used for the houses of ostracized sufferers and the disease of leprosy. This is his first work in architecture, and method of these places mean the deal with the one's doubting problem. The next slide is concept and style of Baker. What is the main style? Style was a work at the early of his working period as an architect, designing building of low cost or the LWS people or the EWS people, and high for the high quality beautiful home. It is suited to build for the lower middle class or the lower class client. The structure like a irregular pyramid is have a roof one side left open and tilting into the wind. Also Baker reused for the ventilations brick jolly wall perforated brick screen utilizes the natural air movement to cool the home interior and create the intricate pattern of light and shadow. Baker design invariably have the traditional Indian sloping roof, which I have seen in our village or the rural area, and the tiles is known as the terracotta Mangalore style, shingling with the gable end and vent allowing the rising hot air to escape more volume at the lower material cost in the straight wall, and it is very eco-friendly. Not only that eco-friendly, it is a cost effective. My next slides show how is the low cost and cost reduction building. The low cost or cost reduction is not only the concern in the economy, it is most modern building material are manufactured by the article like the bond brick or steel or glass. Their respective costs are one important consideration, but just as important is the question of how the building was built. The use of local materials is an example of economy because there are no transport costs, and style show the people have discovered how to right way or how to wrong way the putting material together as they are strong and durable. A wall, for example, is not stronger than the happing together of a lot of stone. Number 3, Baker was often seen the remaining through the slavage heaps looking for the suitable building material, door and window frame. Baker's architectural method is one of the improvisations. Initial drawing have only an the idealistic thing, but the final construction with most of the accommodation and the design choice being made of the site by an architect himself. My next slide I will discuss what is a cost effective technique. Student, see the right side picture. Here is the picture of ceiling where you use the tiles, and below there was a arch. The advantage of cost effective technique is 20 to 35% less of material. If you see the picture of the roof where we use the filler slab, And the filler slab use the filler material as a tiles and oval tiles. Here you can use a replacement of Mangalore tiles or the Allahabad tile, etc. And this advantage, the concrete of reductions of the concrete used in the slab, and slab is looks like a decorative, economical and reduced self load is reduced. Almost it is a maintenance free and cost effective, 20 to 30% of cost reducted. Another advantage of this type of arch, this is very economical and eco-friendly, because when you use the arch, mostly it is used or constructed by the RCC reinforced concrete. But in this vernacular architecture or in this local building architecture, when we use the brick, it is more energy saving and eco-friendly. And compressive roofing, decorative, highly economical as well as maintenance free. My next slide, what is the filler slab? Filler slab employ the replacing the unproductive concrete by the filler material, which reduces the weight of the slab and also the cost by reducing the amount of concrete used. When we reduce the amount of concrete in using for the slab, and almost our cost of or the economy is reduced alternatively. Also seen the weight of the slab is also reduced because the laser steel is required for reinforcement, further reducing of this cost. Next is arches. The arch is the significant because it is provide the structure which eliminate the tensile stresses and spanning and the open space. All the forces resolve into the compressive stress. This is useful because several of the available building material such as stone, cast iron and other concrete, this strongly resists the compression. But in arches, we are very weak when in tension. The shear or the tensile stress which is applied on to them. What is dome? A dome can be thought of as the ridge arch which has been rotated around the central vertical axis. Thus, dome, like the arches, have a great deal of structural strength. When properly built a dome, it can be span of a large open space without interior support. So, arch can also constructed for using the dome. What is rat trap bond? The rat trap bond used in architecture is the another technology which is called the alternative building technology. It is not a normal technology, and rat trap brick masonry is the alternative to normal English bond masonry wall, by which 15% of cost can be reduced without comprising the equal strength and the appearances. Here student follow the picture of the rat trap bond and how to casting the wall with a rat trap bond. The two sides of two bricks vertically or 250 width, and middle of the bond is void, and this is called the rat trap. Like a trap, it is like a trap. It is a void section used for the heat, regulate the heat or temperature, and it is most cost effective because the number of brick is reduced when the wall is constructed. It is very utilized for the alternative building technology, and Laurie Baker used this technology in this alternative building studies. My next slide, I will going to discuss the Center for Developing Studies, which is made by the Laurie Baker 1975 at Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. It was the one of the most important building which is designed by the Laurie Baker, and it is used for the developing study like alternative building technology, vernacular technology, eco-friendly building. The Baker first thing for low cost housing project. or the first concept is how to build this building with a low cost material, and its total entire structure is built by the local material, local mortar, tiles are used. It is situated in Kerala with a 10-acre campus, and this research institute also as a graduate school. In 9-acre campus, architect constructed an administrative office building, computer and amphitheater, library, classroom, the staff housing quarter are also important part of the campus. The total valley is situated in the valley of a paddy field which is across the slope from the peak of the hill. The center of a building, it was a library which is 7-story tower and most attractive. And the front part of the library was the white in color and used the local model. Administrative office and the classroom are arranged in properly next by next. Here at the summit, the library dominates the center with a 7-story tower. It's called the administrative office, and the classroom are scattered in a randomness and determined by the each one positions on the slope. However, total building remains tightly connected to each other through a corridor and a snake-like upward ramp to the library, which is breezy walkway and landscaping in the inner court. Another building was the central complex, which is 4-storied, which is called the student hostel, and situated it is the far away of this complex. The hostel is accessed by the crossing, the amphitheater or local. It is completed by the local building material. Girls hostel and student canteen are placed in the valley hill or the bottom hill to see the view of the hill properly. A staff housing also placed near the gateway, more easy to access. Lorry can use this local building material like the coconut and plum wood, uses brick, create the building texture and spanning naturally. And brick, here is a brick is gently work like a building curtain wall or the building wall and very dignified. Other and inner surface which is visualized different technique. In opening uses the arches corbel, brick jali or lintel for the proper ventilations and admitted the sunlight. Wall are made by the stepped cover or folded, which gives the extra strength of a building. The most important for the baker's career is the most important building. It is significance, the assignment and the less to do with the size and budget then with the idea for exhibit a range of concept applied to the building for very function and scale and dimension. The picture we will show how was the building. Here is the brick jali, the ramp and the stepped and inner various courtyard, and 9 acres building accommodated have an administrative office, computer center, amphitheater, library, classroom, another component of the institutional designing. What is vernacular building technology? In architecture, the term was vernacular means the local material uses for the building construction, such as mud, clay, brick, lime, varnish, sawdust, all the things they are used for the building construction. And this technology uses building such cost effective, eco-friendly and very local. The carrying cost is less. The technology adapted to reduce also the construction cost. Labor charges almost reduced. The first phase of construction cost is reduced. Uses the material in the construction variable purposes. Roofing system uses white clay tiles in place of concrete. thatch roof, sloping roof, the all they are made the tiles of clay used. Cow dung is used for the waterproofing material. Example of building developing studies. All these are very economical and eco-friendly. So this is used for the constructions or single-storied or maybe a partly double-storied building and cost-effective. And it is uses for the low-cost housing material or low-cost house people or middle-class people. Another technology, alternative building technology. The surface beam foundation purposes uses very simple bamboo with the crude concrete reinforcement. In case of steel concrete, the bamboo is used. Mud is used for the structure looking superior standard. Uses brick pattern like building scale to create the beautiful look at the exterior. In the very worldwide is apply for the rural development and rough stone surface plastering used, the covering materials used for the cover looking strong, joint finishes used for the timber work create a wonderful good looking. Not only the main functions of the wall, door and window frame, their seal, a small opening of uses brick, frame the new wooden material, traditional tail for the sunlight, and the large opening, the local employment by the small cottage industry also involved for this structure. In the modern age, where is in the method of the architecture, we use this alternative building technology for low cost housing people, and it is more popular nowadays in small cottage industry and architectural field. Thank you.